Botongo ba manyiba tohe la bobunya nyama na mashamba ikapo rafia la bobunya nyama madota flache ba tame ya hodo nama machi mabagada miang ta ya chukokam mala babwachi magbo magliba agbapang kaka wana supo ba yalo bisa sadaka ika la judu pa dawana ma inti gata ala yaba ha ajada go chof magotia yata ika magliba ala katu anye ha fasawa tapakota pa ika ya honabo ablanti fango mashi agba ulaba yaba akashikli ado fufoda tobawo Chofma Gotia Olaba Nyali delegation Baviada Ika Honorable Regional Minister James Gugu Anuma Mepe Regional Chairman Mepe Executive Okata Mepe the Flagstaff House Aba Fakla Lanoviado Ako Sapupodo Ako Kotade Platform Ika Magleba Yanovi Oko Kofokon Yucho Oko Bongo Clado wana bubu galaji agba katon akamaba awo yade lakala kola ala mafutu amalo nyatomi tama gleba agba pon yo kabia ba ile ya gachukokam afo igwana yina mabanto fia noga afima shamanama akpa oba kagbe kaduna agba lokwa ala miato bugba akanya ba vida kala sinye Ichoko mecham ba matara mudam kata pon komba adota no dukola agba hika makata miapo na bako bagbere player modo chon o gaba masa fuko ta mi chutkam mahla ni switch re fuko ma na mi awu muda bagbama yo be dama dama akpa yo Mr. Chairman Topi Kosi Nego Adalia, Manklalo of the Mepe Traditional Area and acting president of the Mepe Traditional Area. Our noble chiefs, elders, ladies and gentlemen, and all protocol duly observed. I wish to begin by expressing my sincere appreciation for being invited to address you on this very important occasion. The Afenorto Festival provides an important moment for the people of Mepe to come together, reflect on our history, and focus on the priorities that will guide our community forward. But before then, I wish to begin by conveying our nation's sorrow in the wake of the tragic helicopter incident that claimed the lives of 8 distinguished Ghanaians, including our own brother, Honorable Edward Kofi Omanebwama, Minister for Defense, Comrade Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. They were accompanied by Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Limuna, Dr. Samuel Sapo, Vice Chair of the NDC, Mr. Samuel Abwache, a former parliamentary candidate, and then Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Adala, Flying Officer Jum Ambelu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensa. Our thoughts are with their family, His Excellency the President, and all Ghanaians during this difficult time. Allow me to further say that this year's gathering for the Afenorto Festival comes with a time of national sorrow. What does it feel like to face death by being helpless in pain and unable to save yourself? Your body engulfed in flames, enjoying the agony with no way out until the end comes. Just think about it for a second. Our hearts are shattered. We are grief-stricken, and we may never have to meet such a fate in the line of duty to our nation. Say amen. Amen. May our brothers and comrades rest peacefully in the Lord's bosom. Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, the Afenorto Festival provides a platform for us to address these priorities openly. It is during such gatherings that we can outline specific actions that will move the community forward. This includes first, improving road networks to connect Mepe more effectively to neighboring towns and markets. Secondly, ensuring reliable access to clean water by upgrading local water supply system, expanding access to health care facilities, medical professionals, and fourthly, developing community-based education programs that support both academic learning and vocational skills. Mr. Chairman, let me stress the importance of youth development. Our young people are ones who will carry forward the work of building Mepe. To empower them, we must invest in quality schools, create vocational training opportunities, encourage apprenticeship, small grants or startup support. If the youth are given the tools to succeed, they will create jobs, improve services, and keep the local economy buoyant. We must also consider the economic activities of the Mepe area. Agriculture will continue to play a central role, but it must be supported by new approaches. This includes the introduction of improved farming techniques, access to modern equipment, and the creation of cooperatives to help farmers get better prices for their produce. In addition, investment in agro-processing will add value to what we grow, while promoting local industries in textiles, crafts, and tourism will bring new income into our community. Mr. Chairman, it is equally important to protect and promote our cultural heritage. Our music, dances, language, and crafts are assets that connect us to our roots. This must be inculcated in our schools, children, and celebrated in public events. The Afenorto Festival itself is a key means of doing this, but we must ensure that the cultural education continues throughout the year so that future generations do not lose their connection to these traditions. Ladies and gentlemen, on the issue of infrastructure, there are practical steps we can take. We can work with local authorities and development partners to construct and maintain proper roads. The diaspora community remains an important source for Mepe. Many of our people living abroad have the skills and resources and networks that can support local development. Establishing a formal system for them to contribute, whether through investments, scholarship, training programs, or infrastructure projects. Mr. Chairman, let us never overlook the role of women in our community development. Women in Mepe contribute greatly as farmers, traders, educators, and community leaders. Any plan for progress must ensure that women have equal access to training, funding, and leadership positions. This is not only a matter of fairness, but also a practical necessity, as communities strive when women are empowered to contribute greatly. Mr. Chairman, permit me to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, for, as it were, helping to have our own brother, Honorable Okujeto Abrapa, who is our Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, and also having our own sister. Congratulations to you, Madam Victoria Amefajido, as MMDC for Lofton. Madam, I to my jungle. Akpapon kaka mabulba adoption. Azayana di matalako, Nito Nunya, Nova Nunya, Mabulba, Apone Kalako Tuninum. Ikanya Patricia Awuno. For the late Professor Kofi Awuno. Afadova Yea, Anoshima, Na Asaya, Nanimatalako, Awu, the plan for clergy. Amata Fiamba Asaya, Yama. Mama Manova Yedroku Abamanam Agba Malamia Domi Ba Mama Domi Apatarechi Azado Chon Mangonyon Pada Paloma Okusaba Apada Kamanchinya Togo Misaka Nelo Lokishi Habobo Kenya Tampo Foundation Madadi Ka Ipashikla Tofa Bugola Fugoto Prepa Gologiwa Yama Koba Africa Kona Tampo Foundation Akpashikla Akpanedi Numanyawo Ba Gloni Shigadaba Shangi Kokoga Akoko Judu Bankumo Ita Aweba Wanadola Yakpashikla Lokishi Habobo Ina Yogo Public Private Partnership Suba Yapa Yahada Kawa Ada Wanaka Yada Witu Hamauma Bayi Emia Dojo Katala Makusaba Yapagafia Bao Makumon Pokwela Bobunyama Au Nana Tokia Tuota Misakone Nana already 20,000 Ghana cities 20,000 Misakone The kind Misakala The Paladis Misakana Misakane Jaga